Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we're going to be having a look at the Vegemite coin set. So this is the 100 years of happy little Vegemites. What is it? The 6-coin 2023 6-coin uncirculated year set. And in the larger box we have the proof set. All right, so the Mint have produced these. So 100 years of 100 mighty years, it says. 100 years of Vegemite. And let me know. Leave a comment. Do you like Vegemite? Or do you prefer Marmite? I think there's Promite as well. There's all these different mites. But what's your favourite? Do you absolutely hate Vegemite? Leave a comment right now. I'd love to know whether you like Vegemite or not. I absolutely love Vegemite. Vegemite on toast with lots of butter. I actually like Vegemite with lettuce sandwiches. Vegemite with avocado is really good. So yeah, lots of different ways to use Vegemite. I absolutely love the stuff. But yeah, really white bread, lots of butter, and Vegemite. That's really nice as well. All right, so let's have a look at these sets. Now, we will be discussing what's going on with these sets a little bit further as we get along in the video, because they're actually a little bit hard to get right now. So we'll talk about that as well. But let's have a look at this one first. This is the uncirculated coins set. All right. So same packaging that we're familiar with over the last couple of years. All right, here it is here. Let's pop that down there. All right, now you will notice the $1 coin. So it is a piece of toast. Someone has taken a big bite out of it. And there we have 1923 to 2023. And we've got Vegemite spread over the toast there. So, look, to be honest, I'm not so sure about this, but anyway, it is what it is. A little bit unusual in some ways. I suppose it's a product we can buy in stores, being Vegemite, but to be highlighted in this fashion by the Royal Australian Mint, I'm not sure how I feel about it, but yeah, it's an interesting one. Let me know your thoughts about it. Let's have a look at the obverse here. So there it is, Royal Australian Mint 2023 6-coin uncirculated year set. And the interesting thing is when they do put a design, as they've done in the past with the $2 coins, and now with the $1 coin, they write $1 on the obverse. So, well packaged. I actually enjoy this style of packaging, the big plastic case. It feels like it's really well protected, and I think it's a great way to display these coins. I don't feel the same way about the way we do the proof set, but we'll have a little further look at that right now. So obviously the same coins, but in a proof format, which looks stunning. They do look great. Any proof coin does look good. So they've stuck with the cardboard lightweight casing. Unfortunately, I'm not a fan of it, but it does cheapen the product, and I think many of you do agree with that. All right, let's have a look in here. So with the proof set, we do get the certificate of authenticity, and we'll just have a little look inside of that and have a little read. All right, so for 100 years, Vegemite has been putting a rose in every cheek, and along the way become a national treasure. From humble beginnings in 1923, Vegemite has grown to become a beloved part of what it is to be Australian, and is a symbol of all that is unique and tasty about this great nation. Celebrate 100 mighty years of Vegemite with this 2023 6-coin proof year set. The set includes a custom $1 coin serving a delicious slice of Vegemite on toast. Happy birthday, Vegemite. Here's to 100 more years of fun and delicious Aussie goodness. All right, so that's the paperwork there, and just tells us a little bit about the denominations, which is all fairly standard. All right, so the actual coins themselves. Now, here they are. Always, the 50-cent coin always stands out to me really well as a beautiful coin when it is in proof condition, or made in proof. So you'll see the frosted, and the way that the light shines off that mirror background there is it's a beautiful coin. So much more detail can be seen in proof versions of these coins. And there it is there, Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. So the Mint have stated, and I don't think they've changed anything in relation to this. So this is where this particular set gets a little bit interesting. And with this set, they have said that they are going to be producing coins that are for collectors, so not for circulation, that will have the Queen's effigy on it in 2023. Now, that means that they are not going to be producing, well, I think they've said that they're not going to be producing coins that have the Queen's effigy for circulation. So at some stage, we will have coins with King Charles. And let's have a little look at the Vegemite proof coin here. So that piece of toast, I think it stands out even more so. So with the proof version, so that's once again not bad. I'm growing towards liking it, but yeah, it's a very interesting coin. But I do absolutely love the obverse side of the coin. So these coins have a limited, well, they are limited at the moment. They are an unlimited mintage. So what I'm about to say is, don't rush out. If you haven't been able to get one of these sets as yet, do not rush out and pay a high premium price. There will be plenty of these available for every collector. All right, you may just have to wait time. Now, I'm not sure what the production holdups are. Maybe they ran out of Vegemite to put on the coin. They wanted to use Marmite, but no, they said, no, we need to use Vegemite. So that's a joke. So basically, I don't know whether they've run out of packaging or whether they've run out of the planchets. Who knows? There's an issue with production at the moment. But a lot of the deliveries will be happening over the next month or two, and certainly into the new year. So hopefully by January some stage, most of the dealers and the Mint will have these available to buy. So if you haven't been able to get them in the first round, which came out about a week or so ago, do not stress too much. You will be able to get a hold of these, and don't pay overprice. All right. So yeah, by early next year, everyone who wants one of these should be able to get not only the Mint and the proof that it is unlimited. So there's no mintage set. They will keep producing these until at some stage in 2023. So we've been able to buy 22 sets majority of this year. I think only now they've started to probably stop, well, certainly have stopped production, but yeah, these are the ones now that are going to be available moving forward. So you will not miss out is basically the message there. All right, so let me know what you think. What do you think of the Vegemite sets? All right, so certainly something a little bit interesting to move away from what we've certainly had in the past, and what the Mint have focused some of their specialty coins on. What do you think of the packaging? Very bright, and obviously it is Vegemite colors. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed this little first look at our Vegemite coins. What do you think as an international person? What do you think of Vegemite being on our Australian coins? All right, guys, thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.